Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the Retail Me Not that's coming on Sunday, July the 26th, 2020. I get these in my mailbox on Wednesdays usually. That is the way I get them early. They do not come in my newspapers in my area, so that is the way I have them early, and I don't know how you can get them mailed to you. I think it's just a regional thing. So this is just Family Dollar. If you're a Family Dollar shopper, I am not. Just some more things here. Okay. So we're getting Purex coupons, 1 off of 2 and 1 off of the bigger ones. It does say any size though on the packs. 1 off of 2 in the crystals and 1 off of 1 39 ounce. I'm guessing that is a larger size. Mederma, $4 and $6 coupons. Nature's Truth, we see those on buy one get one free. I was excited to see that I got Revlon coupons because I haven't had Revlon coupons in a while. So we have $2 eye, $2 face, $2 lip, and $1 of the tools. I'm sure I will be using these at CVS, most likely. So that is the values I got. So here we have some Kellogg's, 1 off of 2, 1 off of 2, and 1 off of 2. Definitely make sure you're part of Kellogg's Family Rewards and participate in the Feeding Reading program. I do have a video about that. I can link it down below if I remember. Even if you don't have kids, you can use them for gifts. Baby shower gifts, Christmas gifts. Goya Purdue here. I didn't know, but I'm guessing they're maybe owned by the same company. $1.50 biotin. I have never actually purchased that. Flonase, Polydent, and Polygrip. $2.50, $2, $2.50, and $1.50. And some advertisement. And on the back here is a $3 off of 2 of the Purina Prime Bones. So that is all I have coming in my insert. Just keep in mind your insert might be a little different. Inserts can vary from region to region. I don't get some like Garnier and coupons like that anymore. So just wanted to share with you guys.